So, you've got a suitcase full of dirty money. No, not dirty like mud. Dirty as in illegal. Maybe drugs. Maybe bribes. Maybe you just scammed your uncle out of his retirement fund. Whatever the case, congrats! You're rich, but also screwed. Because if you spend that money directly, you're basically telling the government, "Hi, I'm a criminal, please arrest me." This, my friends, is where the magic trick called money laundering comes in. Money laundering is basically taking dirty money and scrubbing it clean so it looks legal. Think of it like sending your cash to a spa day. Illegal money goes in, squeaky clean money comes out. Suddenly, that drug dealer looks like a legit businessman running a car wash, a casino, or a chain of coffee shops. It's not about getting rich. It's about hiding how you got rich. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you own a small restaurant. On a good day, you make $1,000 from selling food, but you also secretly made $5,000 from, let's say, selling happiness powder on the side. Now, you can't just walk into the bank with that $5,000 and say, "Hi, this is from tacos." That's suspicious. So what do? You fake it. You tell the bank, "Actually, my restaurant made $6,000 today." You mix the $5,000 illegal cash with your $1,000 legal sales. Boom. Suddenly everything looks like normal business revenue. That's money laundering. Simple. Dirty money plus fake business equals clean income. But restaurants aren't the only trick in the book. Oh no. People use casinos because who questions big gambling wins? Real estate because you can buy and sell property with shady money all day. Even art, yes, that random banana duct taped to a wall for $120,000, could be a masterpiece or could just be money laundering with extra steps. And trust me, there are so many more clever, insane ways people wash their money. If you want me to break down more schemes, drop a comment and type MO. That way, I'll know you're serious about learning the tricks that criminals use purely for educational purposes, of course. And don't forget to subscribe, because in a world full of scams, panics, and shady billionaires, you don't want to be the last person to understand how the game is played.